Let's face it, sometimes even the best planned content calendar can fall apart. Deadlines get missed, priorities shift, and suddenly you're off track. But instead of panicking, think of this as an opportunity. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 key steps to rebuild your content calendar and make it even stronger. When things go off track, the first thing to do is assess what went wrong. Was it a time management issue? Or maybe there was a resource shortage? Start by identifying the bottlenecks. Maybe you underestimated how long content creation would take, or perhaps there were unexpected team changes. Ask your team for feedback. They might have valuable insights on recurring challenges or areas that need improvement. By understanding what led to the breakdown, you're already taking the first step toward a more resilient plan. Once you know what went wrong, it's time to focus on high-impact content. Not all content is created equal, so start by identifying the topics that resonate most with your audience. Is there a theme or topic that consistently performs well? If so, prioritize that content to make the biggest impact. You can also save time by repurposing successful past content. Maybe there's an old blog post you could turn into a video, or a popular social post that could inspire a new article. And remember, when things are tight, quality over quantity is key. A few well-crafted pieces will do more for your brand than a bunch of rushed content. Now that you've prioritized high-value content, it's time to revisit your workflow. Think about ways to streamline the content creation process. Are there approval steps you could simplify? Or templates that could save you time? Set short-term goals that are actually achievable with your current resources. Start small, like committing to 1 blog post a week. And make sure every team member has a clear role. This keeps everyone on track and prevents last-minute confusion. Finally, when you're ready to rebuild your content calendar, do it with flexibility in mind. Life happens, so add buffer weeks at the end of each month to catch up on delayed content. This extra space is invaluable when the unexpected happens. Incorporate evergreen content, topics that stay relevant over time. That way, if you need a quick post, you have something ready to go. And regularly review and update your calendar either monthly or quarterly to stay aligned with any shifts in audience interest or business goals. Remember, a setback with your content calendar doesn't mean you're failing. It's a chance to reassess and come back with a more resilient strategy. By understanding the breakdown, prioritizing impactful content, adjusting your workflow, and building in flexibility, you can create a content calendar that's prepared for anything. You'll not only get back on track, but you'll come back even stronger.